You can use Data Discovery to create a Venn diagram for basic analysis. Venn diagrams help visualize the overlap between datasets. For example, as a target for a marketing campaign, you want to find the number of customers that are self-employed, aged between 30 and 40, living in Southern California. To begin, navigate to the Venn menu. From the Data panel, select the 30 to 35 and 35 to 40 age groups and drag them to the Segments box. You can see the total number of customers belonging to the two groups. To analyze how many customers in these age groups are self-employed, drag the self-employed value into the Segments box. You can see the total number of self-employed customers belonging to the two age groups. Next, drag Southern California to the filter box. You can see that all the numbers have changed and now show customers that are self-employed in Southern California. You can save this analysis locally, publish the Venn diagram as either a report or data resource on a BI and reporting server, or export to save the analysis as a different file type. Now you know how to create a Venn diagram to analyze data. For more information about data discovery, check out the other videos in this series.